Developing good questions really comes in three components: past, present, and future. The first thing you got to think about is who you're actually interviewing. So they're contact specific questions. You're not going to ask a question to, for instance, the sheriff that you would a resident who is voting. So think about who you are asking the questions to, then follow the past, present, future context. So the past, historic context, what has happened and how have things been established in the past. For instance, how have elections gone for the sheriff's races in the past? What are also the professional backgrounds of the candidates? Present is like the current state of what's going on and how people are reacting. For instance, why does the current election matter to the area? How will it immediately impact being elected to the position? And then future, looking at suggestions or recommendations or opinions of what's going to happen in the future. So what do you hope the winning candidate will bring to the future position? What will you focus on if you get elected, etc.?